Yes, good afternoon, guys. It's another day. May package na naman tayo for Shopee. So, this one is a cycling glasses din. Photochromic ito siya. Rock Bros ang brand. So, let's open it. I-unbox natin. Matigas. Well packed. Yung maganda dito, well packed. Well packed. Whoa. Rock Bros. Rock Bros. Okay, let's open it. Okay. This one I'm using also is a Rock Bros cycling glasses. Whoa. Okay. There's a Rock Bros na pouch case. Tapos yung white niya. Okay. Let's open this one and merong free na para dito kung sa eyeglasses niyo. Yung tawag niya. Wow, look at this, baby. Rock Bros ito. Lebrano ito, Rock Bros. Okay, I will check this one. Yeah. Rock Bros. Ganda sa paningin pag nag-bike ka. Anyway, that's it. Salamat po.